Next question from Muhammad Zishan, Pakistan. Here in my local area, mosques are open, but they are not following precautionary measures regarding COVID-19. My family members are insisting me to pray at home. What should I do? The question poses by a brother in Pakistan that in his locality the mosques are open, but his family members fear that the mosques are not maintaining the precautionary method that should be done for the COVID-19 disease, and they are asking him not to attend the prayers in the mosque. As far as if the mosques are open and the government authority feels that there is no problem in mosque being open, if it's open, it is compulsory for a Muslim male that he should offer his 5 times salah in congregation in the mosque. There is no excuse. If the mosques are closed by the government where they think it is dangerous, and then if you pray at home in Jamaat, it is accepted. But if the mosques are open, you have no excuse not to go for prayers just because your family members are concerned. If your family members are concerned, what you can do, you can take the extra precautionary methods. If you feel that you may get infected, you take your precaution. Number 1, see to it that you carry your own sajjada. You carry your own prayer mat. In India, Pakistan, it's called a musalla. You carry your own musalla, your own prayer mat, your own sajjada. Number 1. Because that is the most important. Because when people pray on the common carpet or the prayer mat of the mosque, some other person comes and prays there, and if a person infected prays earlier, and in your sujood, in your sajda, you are there for at least 15, 20, 30 seconds. At that time, if your nose is on the same place where the nose of infected person was there are high chances you can get infected. So number 1 precaution is that you carry your own sajjada, carry your own musalla, carry your own prayer mat. Number 2, see to it that you wear a face mask. Number 3, please do not scratch your face or your nose or your mouth. There are high chances you may infect yourself if your hand has touched certain infection. Number 4, carry a hand sanitizer with you. So in case of emergency, you can sanitize your hand. Number 5, see to it that you do wudu at home. Don't do in the mosque. Don't go to the washroom in the mosque. Go to the washroom at your home. That is number 5th. Number 6th is you try and minimize your time spent in the mosque. You can pray your sunnah salah before the first salah at your home, and that is recommended by a prophet. Number 8, you can pray the sunnah salah after the first salah coming back at home. You need not pray the sunnah salah before the first salah and after the first salah in the mosque. So that number 9, you minimize your time spent in the mosque. Number 10, see to it you don't shake hand with anyone in the mosque. See to it that you do not stay close to a person for long. Taking all these precautions. For the women, it's not compulsory for them to go to the mosque, so they can pray at home. For the elderly people above the age of 65, if they have certain difficulties and health is not good, if they say that I don't want to go to the mosque, is accepted, because we have come to know from medical science that people of elderly ages, their chances of when contacted with the disease, their chances of dying is much higher as compared to a younger person. So if the mosques are open, there is no excuse for you not to go to the mosque. Our beloved Prophet said that tie your camel and trust in God. Tying your camel, you take the precautions I have mentioned and trust in Allah, because if Allah wants to protect you, no disease can harm you. That's what our beloved Prophet said. There is no adwa, there is no contagious disease, meaning there is no contagious diseases then you can acquire without the permission of Allah. If only Allah wills, will you get the disease. If anyone wants, everyone in the world wants, and if Allah wants to protect you, you'll get protected. And if anyone wants to save you, all the doctors in the world, and if Allah wants to see to it that you get the diseases, no one can protect you. So what we have to do, follow the advice of the Prophet, tie your camel and trust in God. Take precautions, but if the mosques are open, it is compulsory for a Muslim male that he should go and pray in Jamaat in the mosque.